Walalia kisuk, Gijino, Pigasiduia, Giskuk, Delju Weligiskik. Thank you, our Creator Mother, for bringing us such a beautiful day today.
What we're bringing here today is our culture, our way of life. You're going to see spiritual, you're going to hear some mental, you're going to hear some emotions, and you're going to see some physical. Very holistic way. And that's the way we do things.
An event like this is so important to our communities, to our history, and perhaps most importantly, to future generations. Windhorse will be a focus of new philanthropic collaborations between Indigenous communities and all those caring individuals and organizations who want to work with us to build a better future. Under our stewardship, we can begin restoring our connection to ancestral lands in a meaningful way. The land restitution, including the water, natural resources, infrastructure, which supports Indigenous sovereignty.
Here at Windhorse, I see our collective future, a future rich in land-based learning and healing, where generations come together to share and learn, in some cases under the very same trees that our ancestors did. Remember, we are all treaty people, and I hope to see many more collaborative initiatives among us. Walalia.